Create professional industry level carousel poster design using only Grok AI, no Cloud, no Canva or Photoshop needed. Generate highly consistent designs with just a single prompt. A complete doc file containing all the required prompts is available in the description box. So first I'm gonna try with general prompt. So here is a few things. I am gonna make 4 images or 4 slides, 4 carousels at a time. So you can change the carousel number from here. Here you can put your topic. For example, I am giving the topic name is digital marketing, and then here is my name I want to use, and this is phone number. This is the brand color. You can mention your color name or you can mention your color code as well. So I am keeping just my brand color. So first copy this prompt and then go to ChatGPT, paste the prompt here and wait a little moment. So after generate this detailed prompt, simply copy the prompt from here and then go to Grok AI, grok.com, then click on Imagine and then click on Agent Beta. This is working really well, and then paste your prompt here and press enter. This will take a little moment. After analyze your prompt, it will start generating your carousel design. So here is the files generated using Grok AI. Click on the image and click here to download this image one by one. As you can see, all the images are consistent in theme, color and lighting and everything. So here is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and all the colors, icons, text is fully accurate. Then I'm gonna try with second prompt with my logo. You can use your own logo in this prompt, in this design. So here is a slide number. I'm gonna use their slide number 5. So I want to create 5 images at the same time, and I am gonna change the brand color to, for example, red or green. So I'm put it green. Topic will be, for example, social media marketing. Copy this prompt, paste it in the ChatGPT, press enter. You will get another high quality detailed prompt where you will be able to use your logo. After generate the prompt, simply copy the prompt from here, go back to Grok. You can use new chat or you can even use new tab from here. I am using new tab. So go to Agent Beta, then upload image. Here is my logo. And then pasting my prompt here, then hit enter. It will start thinking and processing your prompt. So as you can see, as I earlier mentioned in the prompt, for total 5 design, social media marketing was the topic, color was green. So as you can see, here is my logo, color, as I said in the prompt. So all the designs are accurate. As you can see, here is my name, create with Neil, my logo, color green, icon consistency, icon color, text design, everything looks professional. And lastly, use your image and logo together. So just copy this prompt. Before copy the prompt, here I am using total slide, asking for 6 slide, and topic will be, for example, video editing, for example, and here I am using my brand color as red. Then copy this prompt, paste it in the ChatGPT as well. After generate this very detailed prompt, go back to Grok, open a new tab, then go to Agent Beta, upload your logo and your image. So here is my image and logo I am uploading. paste the prompt here and press enter. It will start processing your prompt. Wait a little moment. It will take around 1 minute. Just see the result. In every design, here is my image, here is my logo, and all the elements looks great. As I asked for 6 slide, here is the 6 slide. And then if need any changes, you can ask here for any kind of changes. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.